Hello, it's Morgan. I am leaving for a trip tomorrow for 2 whole weeks. So today we are prepping, we are packing, we are getting everything together, getting ready to go. It is Wednesday. I leave tomorrow, Thursday, at like 3:30-ish p.m., something like that. And I haven't even thought about preparing, packing, or anything. So, we got a lot to do. First, I'm gonna run to TJ Maxx, kind of to browse, kind of to maybe purchase like a shapewear item. I don't know. I'll explain more. Let's just go. It is popping here for a Thursday in the middle of the day. Are you kidding? I am literally obsessed. Look at all of this. I want to buy them all. This? No. I'm the worst. I did not come here to shop for clothes, and here I am. Okay, I didn't buy all of the tanks, but I bought 2 of them and I bought 2 purses. I don't know what I'm keeping, what I'm returning. I'll show you when I get home, but next stop, Target. I want to get like a shapewear type thing to go under my dress because I'm going to a wedding. That's part of the reason I'm traveling. They didn't have any really here, so let's head to Target. I'm hoping to find 2 things successfully. We'll see. This is a great time for the screws to be loose in my camera right before I leave for a trip. I actually don't think I've been here in like so long. Okay, I'm home. Here's what I ended up getting. This one, so freaking cute. I love it. And then I also got this bodysuit. I didn't get any of the white tanks. As nice as they would be, they were like totally see-through, and I would not wear a bra with that, so I just like was not trying to show off my nipples. I don't know what to do about the purses. What do you think about this? I ran a poll on my Instagram. So far, only 1 person voted. I literally uploaded it like a minute ago. I don't know. I like low-key kind of love it. I can't decide. And like whatever the poll says, it's not like that's gonna really tell me what to do. Like if I like it, I'll keep it, but I just don't know. I just don't know. And then I also got this one, and I don't know what to do because I think I could find one I like better that's like more crochet. I just really love this, and I thought the shiny was nice. I don't know what to do. That was for TJ Maxx. Then I got this like little shapewear set from Target. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. I have this like long fitted dress that I just want everything to like feel good and feel smooth in. And then I wanted to get the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but they didn't have it, so I picked up the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear in the shade Oatmeal. I have no idea if it's my shade, so I need to eat something. And then we're gonna go get Dunkin's new cake batter flavor, just in an iced coffee, not like a latte or anything. Then I'm gonna get a little outfit pick in this, and then we are packing. I'm nervous. Packing's gonna be hard. I don't think I've ever packed for like 2 weeks before, especially somewhere like Boston and New York where I want to look like cute and stylish. Little nervous. Okay, let's run to Dunkin. I'm gonna place a mobile order really quick of a iced coffee with the new cake batter flavoring and some milk. I have a mobile order for Morgan. All right, we got the goods. Oh, my whole receipt's stuck. All right, they did it right. They did not do it right. This literally tastes like water. My boyfriend tried it this morning, so I at least kind of got a taste of the flavor earlier today. But like, this is just not good. I'm gonna go quickly get an outfit shot, and then we need to pack. Mentally preparing, the caffeine helps. I am home, packing begins soon. However, I forgot that I wanted to throw in the last minute load of laundry today, so I'm gonna quickly do that. Yeah. Because I'm procrastinating packing because I want my laundry to be done so I can like look at like my whole palette in my closet, you know, I'm gonna quickly try out this concealer. We'll see if I like it. I'm nervous. I've had such bad luck with liking concealers, and my makeup is old. It's been on for a long time. So who knows how this is gonna blend. L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear. The color is definitely a bit light. Or a bit light. Man, I'm so bad at picking out colors. Might have to return this. This doesn't look that light for me though. I have an update. I've just kind of been pulling things from my closet. Let me show you where we're at. I have a bunch of little tanks. I have 2 jackets out. I'm also gonna bring a trench. I'm deciding if I need my leather jacket. I really don't know. I have a couple dresses I need to bring, some sweats, some different pants options. So we're kind of making progress, but we still have a long ways to go. That 1 load of laundry is officially in the dryer, so that's good. I've also also had the weather, like the 10-day forecast pulled up. I've been rotating between New York and Boston. You know, I should probably like actually get my suitcase out of my closet because I feel like you just really don't actually know how much room you have until you start putting it in your suitcase. So maybe I'll use the roll method since I'm really trying to spare as much space as possible. Wish me luck. So I just loaded this bag up with makeup and toiletries. Usually I put all my makeup in here and then I use this, which is the base DOP kit, and I put all my toiletries in here because there's really nice compartments for it and everything. However, I need to save as much space as possible, so I compacted all of it in here. I still have to add my brushes. There's a separate brush compartment, but I'm gonna wash them tonight. I did whatever I could. This is like hair detangler, this is moisturizer, like I did anything possible to not bring any full-size products, and I honestly don't think I am. Since I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks, I don't want to skimp out on everything. Like, I still pack my gasha, which I'm kind of nervous it's gonna like shatter or crack in my bag, but I don't know. I'm just, you know, this is tough. Good news, laundry's done and now I feel much better. I'm gonna put this away and continue packing. Basically the method to my madness, I did when I rolled in my first layer, it was all pants. So I did like 2 pairs of trousers, 2 jeans, a pair of leather pants, and then I did all these like little tank tops, and then I just tried to do as many jackets as I could. Jackets are obviously big, so they take up a lot of room. I did this jacket. I'm gonna wear my denim jacket. I'm gonna try to pack my trench coat. Hopefully that'll work. And then I put in a couple like hot girl walk outfits, so I have like leggings and matching like activewear tops. You'll just have to watch the vlogs to see what I wear if you want to know. I still have quite a bit to pack. It's like not gonna be that warm, but in the back of my head I'm like, oh my god, but like what if it is? So I want to bring biker shorts and like some sweat shorts. I don't know. A couple t-shirts to sleep in. I've never been to New York, so I just don't know what it's like. I've been to Boston, but the only time I was there, it was like super COVID restricted, so like I didn't do much. So the current state is this right now, and when I come back, hopefully it's better. Doing pretty good right now. So I'm packing this purse, I'm stuffing it. For example, I didn't put deodorant or sunscreen in my like toiletry bag because it didn't fit. And then I'm adding makeup erasers, which if you don't know what this is, it's the best thing, especially for traveling, to take your makeup off. All you do is take this towel, add water, and then you wipe your face. I've mentioned them a million times before, but I love them. So I'm filling this to save as much room as possible. One other thing is that I'm going with my boyfriend and he's probably not gonna have as much stuff as me, so hopefully I can add to his suitcase if I need. Let's see what I'm packing in my carry-on. So I tried to lay it all out. This is my airport outfit. It'll just be a denim jacket, a plain black hoodie, these OGL sweatpants that I love, Converse, and tall socks, of course. For my personal item, I don't know if I said carry-on before, we're doing a checked bag and a personal item, no carry-on. So it'll be this base backpack, which I love. I have, of course, my computer and my iPad. I'm gonna try to put my purse in there as well. Wallet, you know, I have 2 pairs of sunglasses, 1 pair of blue light glasses, lip products, just because I forgot to pack them with makeup, charger, adapter, hard drive, tripod, mask just in case. However, the mask mandate for planes was lifted, so this will be my first time flying with no mask in like what, 2.5 years, so that is kind of wild. So I'm kind of excited to show that to you. It'll just feel different. I know it'll look all the same, but it'll just like feel different. Portable charger, 2 pairs of headphones because I have headphones issues. If you follow my TikTok, you would know. Apple Pencil, all my chargers, a water bottle I'll put in the side. I think this is good. I do have to decide if I want to bring this new cork purse, if I want to keep it or not. So I don't know where this is gonna go because I'm running out of room. Maybe his suitcase. However, let's put this all in my carry-on. I think this is good for a carry-on. I mean personal item. Okay, BRB. I almost forgot jewelry and perfume and I would have been so upset. So I'm gonna grab Floriental Brown Sugar from Dossier for perfume. Just gonna throw it like in this sweatshirt. Hopefully that's fine. And now I need to pack up some jewelry. I also almost forgot, I really want to bring this for cute little hot girl walks. It's like this front cross sling bag type thing. I bet this can fit in my personal item. These Ana Luisa cases are perfect for packing jewelry, especially because there's a little divider in the middle. So for necklaces, I'll put like 2 in front, 2 in back type of thing, and then grab a bunch. I think my personal item is packed. Let's zip her up and do a scan of my room and everything. I need to weigh this actually first. You know, that actually zipped pretty easy. So there's a scale. I'm gonna weigh me and then I'm gonna weigh the bag and do the math. I think it's only 42 pounds. I think we're good. So since I can still bring 8 more pounds, I just threw a bunch of stuff in an extra bag. So maybe I'll pack it, maybe not. I'm just gonna think on it. Like a rain jacket, my leather jacket, stuff like that. Basically tonight, I'm driving like an hour and a half to my hometown, and then tomorrow, like half an hour to the airport. So I'm gonna be in my hometown for a night. So that's why I have an extra bag so I can like shave, self-tan, do all like the prep and upkeep, but I'm leaving where I currently live soon. So that's why I'm like packing. It's a whole thing, you know? It's 8:30 and we are off, which is honestly good because I said we probably wouldn't leave till 9. So ready to drive to the hometown and then continue prep, and then we leave. And then we start travel vlog. So body is shaved. Eyebrows are tweezed and trimmed. Hopefully well. Now it is time to self-tan. I'm gonna use up the rest of my tanologist and sleep with it on, and then tomorrow we are washing hair, painting nails. Oh, I forgot I took off my nail polish. That was a good one too. I like to do that before the shower, so like I feel like I get the nail polish remover out. And I also need to wash my makeup brushes, and then we're good. After I use this tonight, I am gonna bring my tanner with and pack it because obviously it's not gonna last for 2 whole weeks, and then it's almost to the end. So after I use it up, I'll just throw it away and I don't have to bring the bottle home. So satisfying. Here we go. Lastly, we'll get the face with a brush. Hi, good morning. I have more Dunkin' and it is time. It's time to wash off my self-tan, which looks pretty good by the way, and wash this beast of hair. I waited till the last possible minute, closest to my trip, to wash my hair. It's about 9 a.m. I leave for the airport at like 3:45 today. Let's get it. You know, I've been self-tanning for years and I just showered and took a good look and I still managed to mess up my feet. It's fine. But my hair feels so good. It's Thursday and I got my hair done exactly a week ago, so I was able to wait a long time. I always try to go super long after I get it freshly done. I try to just preserve, you know, whatever products I use at the salon for as long as possible. Makeup brushes are washed. I'm not gonna pack all of these, but I'm just gonna grab the necessities and throw them in my makeup bag. Next, nails are done. I love static nails. I use the Toasted Sugar color. It's like a nice nude, but also like pinky color. I don't know. I feel like Toasted Sugar is a great name for what it is. But also the update is that my flight is now delayed from 5:30 to 8:30, which I mean, it's nice that I found out now instead of finding out when I like got to the airport. So now I just have more time to mentally and physically prepare. Okay, my boyfriend called me as I was literally filming that clip and our flight was delayed and then changed back to the original time. That's kind of weird. I mean, but whatever, it's fine. Like, what? Okay, alright. Brushes are packed and I'm just like finalizing things in my suitcase, basically. Taking a moment to reevaluate. So my personal item is definitely a bit fuller than intended, but you know, I think we're good. I think we made it. I think we're packed and I think we're ready to go. Hoping I have everything. Hopefully I didn't actually add 8 more pounds to my bag, and hopefully it's still under 50 pounds. But as far as I know, the prep and the pack is done. Hopefully it's done. Hopefully we're good. I have no idea. But it's like, at this point, whatever I forget I can buy. You know, it's like you have to have that mentality at some point. Regardless, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna start a travel vlog right after this one, so be sure to watch that next. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in my next one.